Multiply 18 by 49 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Put 2 in this column and carry 7. 9 times 1 plus the carried 7 is 16. The first partial product is 162. Now use the tens digit, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 8 is 32. Put 2 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 1 plus the carried 3 is 7. The second partial product is 720. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 6 plus 2 is 8. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 7 is 8. The product of the whole numbers is 882. So 18 times 49 is 882.